Fly, fly, fly. Scoochie, huh? Fly. I drink till I'm drunk, smoke till I'm high, castle on the hill, wake up in the sky. You can't tell me I ain't fly. I know I'm super fly. I know I'm super fly. The ladies love luxury. That's why they all fuck with me. Out here with the moves, like I invented smooth. You can't tell me I ain't fly. I know I'm super fly. I know I'm super fly. I stay fresh as hell. Take a pic, I might as well. Hell, drop the top and take a selfie. My car drives itself. I got white girls blushing, homie. College girls rushing on me. All my diamonds custom, so they clutching and they touching on me. Ooh, think it's vegetables. Ooh, think it's audible. Ooh, it's incredible. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I smell like bun number 99, section full of fine dimes. Bitches staring at me saying, wow. Unforgettable, like that King Cole. Gucci berry wine, I'm singing to you. A one-man show, a human bankroll. She lost in the sauce, cause Gucci got the glow. I drink till I'm drunk, smoke till I'm high, castle on the hill, wake up in the sky. You can't tell me I ain't fly. I know I'm super fly. I know I'm super fly. The ladies love luxury. That's why they all fuck with me. Out here with the moves, like I invented smooth. You can't tell me I ain't fly. I know I'm super fly. I know I'm super fly. Now watch me fly. Now watch me fly. You can't tell me I ain't fly. I know I'm super fly. I know I'm super fly. I'm so fly, I don't need no flight attendant. Big Kubalate, don't need no pendant. I ain't never had no pot to piss in. Yeah, now all my records trending. Oh my, came from stealing bikes to flying another G5. I don't know why I ain't smoking this cherry pie so much, but this my life. I'm on Adderall, I be smelling high tech when I piss, like it's basketball. I drop 50 pointer on my wrist. It's Lil' Kodak, take a pic. I came home and dropped the hit. All these diamonds got me sick. I'm acting exploded. Cut the ceiling high. I feel like I can fly. So fresh to death is crazy. Feel like I can die. I done finally got my wings. It made me wanna sing. I drink till I'm drunk, smoke till I'm high, castle on the hill, wake up in the sky. You can't tell me I ain't.
As you can see, we got the amp steps in. Now it's about time. Yeah, these black horse steps got to go. You can't stay here today. You gone, buddy. So I'm up under my truck looking at my factory steps. Looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to unmow. Okay. Easy enough, I guess. Just gonna loosen them all first. This is supposed to be the easy part, but it's just time consuming. Got one step off with a bunch of hills, but damn, it makes the truck look taller already. All right, both steps are off. I'm not gonna lie, I like how this looks. Damn, it makes the trip a little bit. It's hard to tell on camera, but in person. Yeah, there they are. Alright, after pulling out the box, here's the 2 steps. Driver motor, passenger side motor, and the wire harness kit that's inside of 3 boxes. Same passenger box. Got the wire and harness. There it is. The brain. Bolts, zip ties. Alright. Instructions. And you know me at this point, I don't need this shit. So far, the hardest part of this install has been getting this tape off that they had sitting on top of here. But I'm gonna write a complaint. I'm going to just get said screws and washers. Put them in here, put them here, put them in here. Put this on, and put this over on top of it. And we have that one ready, just like that. On for the cap. Now to place this down ever so gently. And screw them down. We're heading back up on the side of the truck. Heading back up on the side of the truck. Yeah. So far the install is going so smooth. I'm up on the truck. And it's really mounted in where I had my other ones. There's a hole right there. Hole right there. I just put them on in. Alright, we got one mount up. Just gotta tighten it. I should be on Easy Street. Got both sides on, motor. Got a step. Some on the other side too. How to put the boards on. Now this is the annoying part when you're doing this by yourself. On the bottom of these steps, they have these things that you have to slide to get into the right slot. And you have to balance one side when you're doing this by yourself. Make sure both sides don't fall. Yeah, but I just took a few of the screws that they provided. Put them in. This damn thing is solid. Not to the other side. All right. These screws go in here. This is adjustable. You can move this back and forth. So you can position the steps how you want. So, as you can see, mine aren't even yet, but I gotta make them even. Got both sides on. It's time to wire them up. Going back to the wire harness. First step is to remove the fuse. Alright. Lights. Here's the fuse. I'm just going to pull this up. Alright. Here's the brain. I'm just going to plug those connections up to it. Now is the part where we go up under the hood and wire it to the battery. See, you got one tab, two tabs, squeeze them in, pull the box straight up. Yeah. You're going to connect the positive to this third one right here. And the negative to over here. My ground wire, got my ground wire hooked up. I'm gonna put this under this bad boy right there. Got my wires right through. Now, where is that spot? Yeah, like I said earlier, I'm gonna poke a hole through there and feed these two purple wires through it. Right, one in, two in. I'm just gonna feed them through. Now that I got my wires through, I'm gonna use these posi tips to wire those together. And just plug it up with this and my step should work. Alright, almost finished connecting the wires and I will be ready to go. And the rest is just a cleanup process. Alright, now you just plug the motors in. Plug in right here. And this little wire is for the lights, but I'll do that in another video. I don't feel like drilling a hole in the truck right now, so I'll do it probably tomorrow. I'm running out of daylight. But plug this in, the tab on the bottom. Like so. And just push till you hear a click. All tight. Now all I gotta do is put some electrical tape around this because I'll do this another day. And finish routing those wires to make them clean and crisp so we can get this working.